Mindfulness. Be mindful of people. Hindi lang ikaw. There's always God's way, God's will, and God's time. And mga kapatid, the other thing, sana wala tayong regret. These are the two regrets. We loved too little, too late. And second regret, sana you'll have no regrets na in the end, your hands are full. Wow, money, power, connections, whatever. But your heart is empty. Nandiyan na lahat. But your heart is so empty. Kasi hindi mo talaga inipon si Lord. You were not searching for God. So no regrets. Can't forget what I did for love.